Kennedy got a package from Shop Disney today, and we wanted to share it with all of you. You can discover an updated magical princess experience delivered right to you. This subscription box came right to our doorstep, and we are so excited. Just pick a princess, schedule a subscription box, and pick the month, and that's it. It is so easy and magical. We cannot wait to discover a whole new world of memories with this deluxe box featuring Princess Jasmine. We can't wait for the movie to come out on May 24th. Kennedy, are you ready to open that box?
Yeah.
All right, let's show everyone what's inside.
Ooh, a map.
Ooh.
Roger. Oh, I can't wait to sleep with him tonight.
Oh.
Look at the lamp. It lights up too.
How cute.
And look at stickers.
Nice.
And look at my costume. It's so beautiful. I can't wait to dress up in it.
Oh, yeah.
And look at my book. I can't wait to read it tonight.
Nice. Is that everything?
Nope.
Oh.
Look at this.
Oh, wow. I can read that too in a little bit. What do you say to Shop Disney?
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Shop Disney. These subscription boxes are amazing, so make sure you check them out on my blog.